Welcome to Inside Daily English. Everyday life, everyday English.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Inside Daily English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. Good morning.
How are you today, Alex?
I'm great, Emma. I feel happy today. How about you?
I feel wonderful. You know why? Today is Saturday.
Saturday! That's a beautiful day.
Yes, and on Saturday, I love to go shopping.
Oh, me too. Shopping is fun.
So, today we want to talk about shopping with you.
Yes! Shopping is part of our daily life.
We go to the store. We buy food. We buy clothes. We buy many things.
And shopping can be exciting.
That's right. Sometimes we find something special, something we really love.
And that feeling is so good.
Today, we will share our shopping stories with you.
We will talk about stores, about things we buy,
And we will learn some useful English expressions together.
expressions you can use when you go shopping.
So, are you ready?
Let's go shopping together.
Yes, let's start our day.
Emma, do you like shopping?
I love shopping, but not every day.
When do you usually go shopping?
I usually go shopping on weekends, Saturday or Sunday,
Why weekends?
because I have more time. On weekdays, I'm busy with work.
I understand. Weekends are more relaxing.
Yes. And you, Alex? When do you go shopping?
I go shopping after work, maybe 2 or 3 times a week.
That's nice. What do you usually buy?
I usually buy food, fresh vegetables, fruit, bread.
Oh, you like to cook.
Yes, I cook dinner almost every day.
That's wonderful. I love cooking too.
What about you, Emma? What do you usually buy when you go shopping?
I buy many things. Food, of course. But I also love to buy small things.
Small things, like what?
Like candles, or nice cups, or flowers.
Oh, I love that.
These small things make me happy. They make my home feel warm.
That's beautiful. Small things can bring big happiness.
Exactly. Last week, I bought a yellow cup.
A yellow cup?
Yes, it's so bright and cheerful. Every morning, I drink my coffee from that cup.
And it makes you smile?
Yes, it makes me smile every day.
That's the magic of shopping. You find something special.
What about you, Alex? Do you have a favorite thing you bought recently?
Let me think. Oh, yes. I bought a new notebook.
A notebook?
Yes, it's small with a blue cover.
What do you use it for?
I write down my ideas, and sometimes I write down shopping lists.
That's so practical.
Yes, I always forget what to buy, so now I write it down first.
That's a good habit.
Thank you. It helps me a lot.
You know, Alex, I think shopping is not just about buying things.
What do you mean?
Shopping is also about the experience. Walking in the store, looking at things, feeling the textures.
Oh, I agree. Sometimes I don't buy anything. I just look.
Exactly. Just looking is also fun.
And sometimes you find something you didn't plan to buy.
Yes, that's a surprise. A happy surprise.
I love those moments.
Me too. Last month, I went to a bookstore.
What did you find?
I found a children's book with beautiful pictures.
Did you buy it?
Yes! Even though I don't have children.
Why did you buy it?
Because the pictures made me feel happy. And the story was very sweet.
That's a wonderful reason.
Now I keep it on my shelf. Sometimes I read it when I feel stressed.
Books can be like friends.
Yes, they can.
Emma, where do you usually go shopping?
I like small local stores. They feel more personal.
I understand. The owners are usually very friendly.
Yes, they remember you. They say hello.
That's nice. I also like small stores.
But sometimes I go to big supermarkets too.
Why?
Because they have more choices and sometimes better prices.
That's true. Big stores can be very convenient.
What about you? Where do you prefer to shop?
I like markets, fresh food markets.
Oh, outdoor markets?
Yes, I love the atmosphere. So many colors, so many sounds,
That sounds wonderful.
and the vegetables are so fresh. You can touch them, smell them,
That's the best part about markets.
and the people there are usually very kind. They give you advice.
Like what?
They tell you which fruit is the sweetest or how to cook certain vegetables.
That's so helpful.
Yes, shopping at the market feels like a community experience.
I love that feeling.
Me too, Emma.
Now, let's talk about some useful expressions for shopping.
Yes, these expressions can help you when you go to a store.
The first expression is, how much is this?
How much is this? This is very important.
You use this when you want to know the price.
For example, you see a nice shirt. You ask, how much is this?
The shopkeeper will tell you, it's $10.
Simple and useful.
Let's practice. Alex, how much is this apple?
It's $2.
Great!
The second expression is, I'm just looking.
I'm just looking. This is very polite.
Sometimes a shop assistant comes to you and asks, can I help you?
If you don't need help, you can say, I'm just looking. Thank you.
This tells them you want to look by yourself.
And it's not rude. It's very natural.
Yes, let's try it. Emma, can I help you?
I'm just looking. Thank you.
Perfect. The third expression is, do you have this in a different size?
This is useful when you buy clothes.
Maybe you like a dress, but it's too big or too small.
You can ask, do you have this in a different size? Or you can say, do you have this in a smaller size or in a bigger size?
Very helpful expression.
Let's practice. Alex, do you have this in a bigger size?
Yes, I do. Let me check.
Thank you.
The fourth expression is, can I try this on?
Can I try this on? This means you want to wear the clothes to see if they fit.
Most stores have a fitting room, a special room where you can try clothes.
You just ask, can I try this on?
And they will show you the fitting room.
This is important because you want to make sure the clothes fit well.
Exactly. Let's try it. Emma, can I try this on?
Of course, the fitting room is over there.
Thank you.
And the last expression is, I'll take it.
I'll take it. This means you want to buy something.
After you decide, you say, I'll take it.
It's a simple way to say, I want to buy this.
For example, you try on a jacket, it fits perfectly. You love it.
You say to the shop assistant, I'll take it.
And they will help you pay.
Let's practice one more time. Emma, how is the jacket?
It's perfect. I'll take it.
Great choice.
So everyone, these 5 expressions are very useful.
How much is this?
I'm just looking.
Do you have this in a different size?
Can I try this on?
And I'll take it.
Try to use them next time you go shopping.
They will make shopping easier and more fun.
Alex, I really enjoyed talking about shopping today.
Me too, Emma. It made me think about my own shopping experiences.
Shopping is such a simple activity, but it's also meaningful.
Yes, it connects us to our community.
When we go to a store, we meet people. We talk to them.
And we bring new things into our lives.
Things that make us happy. Things that make our home comfortable.
Every small thing we buy has a story.
That's beautiful, Alex. Every item has a memory.
Like your yellow cup.
Yes, every morning when I use that cup, I remember the day I bought it.
And it makes you smile.
Exactly. These small moments create happiness.
I think shopping teaches us to appreciate small things.
That's so true. We learn to notice beauty in everyday objects.
And we learn to be grateful.
Grateful for what we have. Grateful for the ability to choose.
Yes, not everyone can go shopping freely.
So when we can, we should enjoy it.
And choose things that truly make us happy.
Not just buying for the sake of buying.
But buying with intention, with love.
I love that, Alex. Shopping with love.
And when we do that, our homes become filled with meaningful things.
Things that tell our story. So, everyone, we hope you enjoyed today's episode.
We talked about shopping, about stores,
about the things we buy.
And we learned some useful English expressions.
Expressions you can use in real life.
Remember, learning English is not just about studying.
It's about experiencing. It's about feeling.
Every day, you have chances to practice English.
When you go shopping, try to use the expressions we learned today.
Don't be afraid. Be brave.
People will understand you, and they will help you.
And little by little, your English will grow.
Just like a plant growing in the sun.
That's a beautiful image, Alex.
Thank you, Emma.
So, everyone, go out there. Enjoy your day.
Enjoy the small moments.
Find something that makes you smile.
Maybe a yellow cup or a blue notebook.
Or anything that brings you joy.
Life is made of these small, beautiful moments.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for joining us today.
Everyday life, everyday English.
See you next time on Inside Daily English.
Take care, everyone.
Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.